Article 254, Inconsistency between Union and State Laws, Concurrent List. Article 254 of the Indian Constitution provides the rule for resolving conflicts between Union and state laws on subjects enumerated in the Concurrent List. It is a situation when both Union and state pass the law on a subject in the Concurrent List. According to Article 254(1), when a state law is inconsistent with a law made by Parliament on the same subject, the Union law prevails, and the state law becomes void to the extent of inconsistency. Article 254(2) creates an exception to this rule. If a state law on a concurrent list subject receives the assent of the President, then it will prevail within that state, even if it conflicts with an existing Union law. However, Parliament can at any time override the state law by passing a subsequent legislation. Article 254 maintains a balance between Union supremacy and state autonomy while ensuring uniformity in matters of common national importance.